Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu. Genki desu ka? Today, we will have topic 8, session 2. In this session, we have 4 objectives. First, to be able to express one's desire to eat a certain type of food. Second, to be able to describe various tastes. Third, to be able to say the Japanese expressions used before and after meals. And lastly, to be aware that although cultural practices differ, it is common in Japan and Philippines to express appreciation during mealtime. Minasan, look at this picture. Can you guess the meaning of the Nihongo expressions? Oishi so, tabitai.
Nihongo expressions.
おいしそ
It means, it looks or seems tasty.
う、食べたい、
It means, I want to eat that.
Let's practice. Bring out your pictures of delicious foods taken from magazines or flyers. Practice saying, Oishi so tabitai by looking at the pictures. Study the facial expression of Aika-san. Guess what she is saying. Oishi. Now, let's have these 2 Nihongo expressions. Oishi so. Oishi. What is the difference between the 2?
おいしい、
It is an expression that something is delicious after actually tasting the food.
おいしそ
It is an expression that something looks or seems delicious by just looking at the food before actually eating it.
How to describe various tastes in Japanese?
う、酸っぱい、甘い、辛い、塩辛い、苦い、酸っぱい、甘い、辛い、塩辛い、苦い、塩辛い、酸っぱい、辛い、苦い、甘い。
Minasan, onakasuita? What do you usually do before eating? How about after eating merienda? What thoughts and feelings do you usually have before eating? Remember, practice in giving thanks per meal differ among individuals, religion, etc. How do Japanese people express appreciation during mealtimes? Before meal, Itadakimasu. After meal, Gochisousama desu ka.
Itadakimasu. Literally, Itadakimasu is a formal expression said when receiving something. Among the various explanations, Itadakimasu is used before a meal, which means that one is receiving the lives or spirits of the various ingredients, plants and animals that went into making it. Gochi sosamadeshita expresses appreciation to the people who prepared the meal. It is said after a meal. Take note. Nowadays, both expressions are usually used to express appreciation for the ingredients, the people who prepared the meal, and the people who produced the ingredients. Do you notice differences and similarities among Japanese and Filipinos when it comes to some table manners? Remember, Japanese and Filipinos use different terms or words to show appreciation for a meal but share the same feelings of appreciation for a meal.
Let's practice. Let's pretend you are going to eat the food in the picture that you brought. What will you say?
Itadakimasu.
How does it taste?
甘い。辛い。酸っぱい。塩辛い。苦い。
Okay. We have finished eating. What do you say?
ごちそうさまでした。
Doso.
ありがとう。おいしそう。いただきます。おいしい、甘い。ごちそうさまでした。
Take note. Dozo is the term used when offering something or giving something to someone. Table manners. If the situation is in a restaurant or any food shop, one can freely say, "Oishi so, tabitai." However, if one is in someone's house, it's okay to comment, "Oishi so," to the food being served, but it may be a little too forward and impolite to say, "Tabitai."
Minasan, reflection time! What did you learn today? How do Japanese people feel when they say Itadakimasu and Gochi sosamadeshita? Do we feel the same way when we pray before and after eating? Jugyo owarimasu. Sayonara!